Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi World. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you a spicy Andhra style chicken delicacy. This dish is pretty simple to make yet very tasty and definitely crave for more. So let's get cooking. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this recipe, I am using 1.1 kgs of skinless boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, but this can be even made using bone-in chicken. Green chilies 20 slit or according to your taste, garlic 4 cloves, ginger 2 inches, few curry leaves. 9 dry red chilies, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, peppercorns 1 teaspoon, 8 cloves, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, few bay leaves, cinnamon 2-inch 2 sticks, 4 to 5 cardamom, 1 medium size onion finely chopped. Now to the chicken I shall be adding in salt as per taste. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it well and set it aside. So now we shall move to our next step to dry roast these spices for the masala. In a heated pan, I shall be adding in all these spices and fry until it's aromatic. Wow, I can just smell the wonderful aroma of these spices. So now I'm going to turn off the stove and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, in a mortar pestle, I shall be adding in garlic cloves and crush it thoroughly. Now to this I shall be adding in ginger and crush it to a coarse paste. This is the texture of the ginger garlic paste. Now that the spices have cooled completely, I shall be transferring it into a mixer jar and shall grind it into a fine powder. This is the consistency of the powder. Now that we are done grinding the powder, we shall move to our next step. To a heated pan, I have added some oil. Now that the oil is heated, I shall be adding in the onions. Saute it for some time. Now I am adding in the green chilies. Saute for some time. Next I shall be adding in the curry leaves. Saute for some time. Now I shall be adding in the chicken and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. I shall be adding in the crushed ginger garlic paste and saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I have just added quarter cup of water to the marinated chicken bowl, so I am adding in that water here and mix it thoroughly. I shall cover the lid and allow the chicken to cook on a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we shall open the lid and we notice that more water has accumulated, that is due to the covered cooking. I shall continue cooking the chicken until the gravy thickens. The gravy has started to thicken. Now the gravy has thickened. I shall reduce the heat to low and add in the ground powder. I shall not be adding it once and for all, as I shall be tasting it and adding if required depending on the spice level. Once the powder has been added, keep the flame on low and keep stirring it until the masala coats well and oil separates. I am adding in some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. I shall cover the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. Keep stirring occasionally. I felt like adding some more powder, so I am adding the remaining powder too. Mix well. I shall cover the lid and cook on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you want a gravy consistency, then you can add just quarter cup of water and cover the lid and cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Wow, I can smell the wonderful aromas from the curry leaves, green chilies and the spice powders, and it makes me feel hungry. Mix well. You can also squeeze in some lime juice if you prefer to. Now I shall garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. Spicy and tasty Andhra chicken fry is ready to be served. This wonderful dish is really so tasty that it makes you lick your finger every bite you have. This can be best enjoyed with chapatis, rotis, hot rice, rasam rice or even sambar rice. I hope you liked this video. If yes, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.